How to use import from Other Module CRM Invoices. In Accounting module, you can import invoices from CRM module. To import, go to Accounting, select Transactions, select Import from Other Modules, and then click CRM Invoices. To choose which account to be put on for default debit to and default credit to, make sure you have created the accounts related to the transaction in Chart of Accounts. Tick the box of which transaction you want to import into accounting. Once you have done the selection, click Import on top right of the page. Once you have imported, remember to approve the transactions. To check and approve the transaction, you can go to Transactions, My Locations, and then Active. You can approve by clicking on the status site. To view list of your imported transactions, go to Accounting, select Transactions, select Import from Other Modules, and then click CRM Invoices. On top right of the page, select Imported. Then you will be able to see transaction that you have imported into accounting. Thank you for watching.